April 2026 Question 4. This sits in Category 7, Pensions and Retirement Benefits, difficulty rung 6 on the prior exam ladder. Recognition Q, DC Fund or DBAL/NC with TUC/PUC and overlays. STEM focus, hybrid FAS DB plus DC top-up, PUC, early retirement mid-year, service table. Own the recognition queue and map before grinding algebra. Use the official exam PDF and model solution for full numeric work. Attack with the Category 7 checklist. Step 1. Classify plan, DC/FAS/CAE/hybrid. Step 2. Project salary and service, accrual formula. Step 3. TUC versus PUC/AL and NC evaluation. Step 4. Overlays last, spouse/COLA/early ret. After this sitting, climb higher rungs in Category 7 before switching families. Watch the matching strategy video for subtypes and grounded next variants. Audience setting is not made for kids' adult exam prep. Use the official sitting PDF and model solution for the full numeric walkthrough. Then climb the next rung in this category.